Yun na kay ka!
Luod siya. Hey Bayhana, it's me, Isa, and welcome back to another video. Woot woot! If there's one thing na kaming mga buntis kay kamaog yun kaayo, that is nga magsige yun mi ug pangihi. Anytime, buntag, mga bii, anywhere, and name it, kaya na mo mangihi. In fact, kapoy kaayo magsigig pangihi kay mulingkod, mubarog, unya. I don't know what to tell you, but it's been really hard.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine, and you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
In fact, some pregnant women are more prone to UTIs kay dili gyud completely ma-empty ang bladder. Therefore, magsigig tulo-tulo, unya mutubo dayon ang kagaw, and basta, kagets mo sa picture. So, I decided to go back to my very first video and try out more peeing standing up devices. Kita na sa busong ihi, no? Enjoy! So for this peeing standing up video, I decided to try out 3 products. Those are the industrial device, the porta potty or the portable potty, and the disposable peeing standing up device. Actually, ako rin pinagiging mo nga names. I think it's also very important to note that as a pregnant person, pirmig yun ka uhaw. So drinking a lot and peeing a lot actually makes a whole lot of sense. So this video is going to include a lot of liquids. And for a lot of liquids, I had to take out my trusty Jizzle nga water jug. Actually, siya water jug. Galoner siya, oy. Naku, okay siya, no? Grabe.
Drink your water, bitch.
So I started my day with a whole lot of liquids. After all those liquids, I finally had to pee. And the first device that I decided to use was the industrial type nga peeing device. The reason why I describe it as an industrial type nga device is because it's not very appealing. Like, the color, it's not cute. I don't know what it is. It just looks very industrial to me. So, the parts aning a device involve the base, kung asa nimo ipatong ang imuha, and then you have the funnel, kung asa ang ihi mo anto, and then you have the spout, kung asa mo gawas ang ihi, which is really the main components of a peeing standing up device. But the one thing that I really like about this industrial type is that it has a handle. Yes, so ganahan kay ko ani nga product because it actually had a handle, which made it really easy for me to use. So here was my experience with the first device.
So you hold it like this. So let's go. Oh my god, I really like that.
I really like this device mostly because of the handle. I like nga dako kay iyahang butanganan, iyahang funnel area, which means nga gamay kayo ang chances nga mo backflow ang ihi. Unlike the first video I made nga naihian ako akong kaugalingon.
Oh my god! Yeah, I wanna see that!
And it's actually very easy to clean. All I did was ran it through cold water or any type of water. I added soap and I just left it to dry. But if you're out, you can just wipe it down and place it in your bag. So this type of device isn't very compact, which is one of my issues with it. It's very bulky. Dako kay siyang space i-take up. But for the most part, I really like this product. I would honestly have to say that I would give this a 4.5 out of 5-star rating. So, human ako gamit sa product number 1, I went about my merry way and ipadayon gihapon kong inom og daghan kaayo nga tubig. For those who are wondering ano pala ihi kaayo ming mga buntis, that's mostly because as your baby gets bigger, mas magkahuot ang imuhang bladder, which means smaller ang water or ang liquids nga ma-retain. And also, if imong anak parihas kalihukan sa akua nga magsigig disco o magsigig karate-karate sa suot sa mulawas, makaihion gyud ka. So, all that information aside, finally, kaihion na gyud ko for the second time. And it was finally time to use my portable urinary device. Now, this product, na siya rim, na siya funnel, adjustable siya, kay meron siyang cylinder nga mabira ni mo og mahipos. But wala siya spout kung asa makagawas ang ihi. So, butanganan gyud siya, no?
Yun na kay ka! So this is the second product that I'm trying out, and wa siya buslot, so pang travel siya. And you can extend it. Oh my god, I really look like I'm a penis. Whew. Whew. That's a lot of pee.
So I went ahead and I used the product, and ang akong maingon is okay lang siya. It functions. Obviously, dili kaayo ka mag-backsplash, but one of the things na dili kaayo ko ganahan about it is I actually am very scared nga mabungkag ang product and maihian ako akong cells everywhere. Cleaning the product was not as easy as well. So I'm actually shooting this recap a couple days after using the product, and up until now, wa gihapon siya nauga. Because naa siya rejas, it's really harder to clean it and retain gamay ang baho sa ihi. It's not very hygienic actually, like luod siya. Honestly, I would give it like a 3 out of 5. I would use this product while traveling, pero di man ko ka-travel kay nag-MECQ tabalik, no? And buntis ko, so di ko kalakaw aning malaya, mura ko gipriso drip.
Gama lang yun.
So, my greatest adventure for this video was actually going to and from the bathroom and walking around the house with my very big nga maunanan sa tubig. Can we move on? Okay, yeah, let's move on. I just wanted to share that using a peeing device standing up actually made my urinating experience a whole lot better. I don't know insa ni ka tinuod, but peeing standing up actually helped me empty my bladder a whole lot. And I just really enjoyed the peeing standing up experience more than I did the first time, because now mas purposeful siya para nako. So product number 3 is actually called a standing urinal. And as you can see, it's super flimsy.
It's actually made for pregnant women. She's pregnant. So I'm done. And I'm done.
I really can't think of other places that this would be useful other than going to the doctors, because like I said, wala na ko laag-laag. Right off the bat, I'm not a fan of the third one. Also because, meaning ani, daghan ko og malabay niya. There's no handle. If mangihi ka and you don't pee slow enough, lagi siya dakong possibility nga maihian ni maimong galingon, maihian ni maimong sininya, imong pantalon, anything and everything else in between. I don't think folding it is a good idea. So I don't think it's very portable either. I would actually just give it a 2 out of 5, and I never want to see it again. I don't know unsaon ako siya igumanani. So nagdungag-dungag ra ko sa problema sa kalibutan, no, kay nagpalit-palit ko ani na din ako siya magamit. So very good, Isa. Very good. So that was my experience with the 3 peeing standing up devices that I used this week. And out of the 3 products that I tried, akong favorite one was the first one, or katong industrial type nga product. Woo woo! But the whole point is that masisayon akong kinabuhi with these things. And I hope inyuhang kinabuhi mas mo improve pag yun with products like these. If you want to shop the products that I have, whether it's the first one, the second one, or the third one, you can check out my affiliate link in the description box below. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and let me know what your thoughts are. Kauyon ba mo? Giluod gihapon mo magkita sa kung ihi or naanad na mo, ikaduha na ra ba ni? Let's have discussions, Bayhanas, because healthy discussions are always welcome discussions. So make sure you're part of the Bayhana community group. Of course, for more videos like this, make sure that you're following Bay TV. And for special personal vlogs, please do follow me on my personal YouTube channel. That is Issaplease/Bayhana on YouTube. And you can follow me on all my socials for baby bump updates. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget, knowledge is power, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!